Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. And when we think about the steps to strength and unity, hey, we're on day 13, the power of unity. And hey, family, welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and, of course, unity. And today, let's dive into the fundamental aspects of a strong family, and that's called unity. Unity is the glue that holds families together. Psalms 133:1 beautifully states, "Behold how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity." When we stand united, we create an environment where love, support, and understanding can flourish. And this unity doesn't mean we always agree, but it does mean we prioritize our bond over our differences. And so today, what I want to challenge you to do is initiate a family activity that brings everyone together. It could be a game night, a shared meal, or a group walk. Use this time to connect, communicate, and strengthen. Even if your kids are little, your family ties are so important. Unity in the family fosters resilience and joy. Let's reset our focus on coming together, embracing each member's uniqueness while celebrating our collective strength. We'll see you tomorrow for another step toward strength and, of course, unity. Hey, together we can do more than we could ever do by ourselves. And especially when a family comes together, you are unstoppable. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.